Today we are prepping for a bike event. I've done some bike packing, I've done lots of cycling, I've done lots of this and that, and camping and stuff, but I've never entered a proper bike packing event. So this coming weekend is the first time. So prepping for, I'm doing the Dorset Dirt Dash this coming weekend, so it's time to get things sorted. Just sorting out a few last minute things. I'm going to have a bit of a ride on it in a bit, but I've got a bladder. This is this Epidura bladder which goes in there. It just sits inside there, like that. And you've got a hose that comes out and you can drink out of that as you go in. This has got, I've gone for a dry bag and a pannier. Basically because I want to drop a post. So when I get to a campsite I can just take this off, take this into my tent and take out what's in it. What I've got in there is I've got sleeping bag, clothes, spare clothes, night clothes, camping stove, mat, pillow, blah blah, all the stuff that basically for sleeping at night. In the front I've got a tent, poles. This bag is electric, so power bank, any cables, charging up phone, stuff like that. On here I've got a Wahoo element for navigating. I've got a light, these Ravemen lights, which is brilliant because it's also a power bank. So even if I don't use the light, I've got another power bank. So that might as well go on there now. And this light's got a dip on it, so you dip for the road. The essential part you must have on your bike, a Mickey Mouse Disney bell. People smile when you hear it. It just reminds them of being a kid, I suppose. Beard bars, I've got on beard bars with profile bar ends. I've explained that in another video about how I'm testing these basically. Hope 4-pot brakes, gusset grips, really comfortable, love them. Cranks a race face, 24mm axle, traditional threaded bottom bracket, gearings 12-speed XTR because I've had it for ages and I've just swapped it from bike to bike. Rear cassette is Gerbrek. Love it, 52 tooth, biggest ring, oval chain ring, absolute black, run backwards. So this is if you've got a fat bike, this is a 197 rear end fat bike, but this bottom bracket, this crank is for a 177. So what I've done is I've just reversed a boost chain ring, so it now dishes out rather than in, and it works a treat. This is a specialised saddle. I've got several saddles all of the same shape because it really does work. This specific saddle is going to stay with me for any long distance stuff that I do, because this was the late Lee Fancourt's saddle when he rode around the world, and I'm just going to, as long as it'll hang together, I'm going to use it. Yeah, often think about him when I'm out doing stuff. So there you go. Essential Slam 69 top cap. I'll go through exactly what I've got on the kit list probably after the event. I'll just show you it all, and yeah, hopefully I hold together. Okay, onward.